Hi there, students. Annals. It's nearly always plural, particularly the collocation, the annals of history. Okay, annals are the record of an activity or an organization or a country that are written down in chronological order year by year, and they cover a long period of time. So, I don't know, the Civil War in Britain in the 17th century was one of the darkest annals in British history, which ended up with the execution of the king. Okay, so annals, these are records about something in which it's normally a book, probably internet nowadays, where what happens is written down in chronological order as it happens. It's a relation of events, and they record, and these annals are continually written up and recorded under the year that they happened. Okay, nowadays I think maybe you could use it for a periodic publication as well. I don't know, the Lancet gives us the annals of medicine. Okay, it's been published for a long time, and it has records of the discoveries and the different things that went on. So annals, the chronicles, the records of something. Notice we have this collocation, or maybe it's an idiom. Something will go down in the annals of. So that story about the shampoo will go down in the annals of our family history. This event will go down in the annals of British history. Yeah, Brexit will go down in the annals of British history as another great British mistake. Churchill will go down, or went down in the annals of British history as a great leader. Yeah, whether Boris Johnson will go down in the annals of British history is another question. Okay, so the annals, it's a record of the activities arranged year by year. It's a record of events. So the annals of the 20th century, the annals of sports. Let's see, Pele went down in the annals of football, and I'm certain Ronaldo will also go down in the annals of football. Yeah, in the history of it. So don't confuse annals with annuals. An annual is a book or a report that is printed every year, but it could have anything in it. It doesn't necessarily have history. And again, don't confuse it with to annul, meaning to cancel, to invalidate, to rescind, to annul. So it's neither of those two. I guess the diary of Anne Frank records the annals of hiding, of her life in hiding. Yeah, the annals of war, the historical records, the chronicles of it. I guess, he became a legend in the annals of sporting history. Yeah, he went down in the annals of crime as one of the most heinous criminals. Heinous, H-E-I-N-O-U-S, heinous criminals ever. Yeah. This event went down in the annals of history. Yeah, it was recorded. So, next question. To go down in the annals of history, I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could probably just about use it in an informal conversation. So I'm going to give it a 6. And then the origin, well, it's another one from Latin through French. Let's see. There's a Latin phrase, Annales Libri, the Chronicles of what happened, which actually comes from annus, a year, and libri, or liber, a book, and al, yeah, and that's the L bit in it, okay? So annals, a relation of events in chronological order, yeah, historical records, histories. So I hope my channel will go down in the annals of English teaching as one of the most interesting ever made. Okay, so annals. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Annals, plural.